Good morning. I'd just like to talk through a breathing exercise this morning, along with a couple of little brain reboots. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Hold your emotional stress release points on your forehead. And I want you to think about anything stressful that's happened over the last day or two. And just allow your mind to start to calm down. Feel any frustration or anger or sadness disappearing with your breath. Breathe in and out. Allow your conscious brain to start find solutions. Breathe in and out. What is the solution? What is the answer? What can I do to make things better? Breathe in and out. Should I go for a walk? Should I go for a swim? Should I go for a bike ride? Is there someone I need to speak to? Is there someone I need to call? Unresolved stress creates so much tension and anxiety in the body. When we don't release it, it builds up and creates disease and tension. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. When you're holding your emotional stress release points, just see if you can feel a pulse in underneath your fingers. It can take a little minute or two. It's as the blood supply comes to your frontal cortex, your problem-solving area of the brain, when we start to get the blood supply, the problem-solving, the actions, the solutions happening. Deep sigh, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Sometimes shake it off, shake it off, shake it all off. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later.